Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the system UI error on your Samsung device. This error can be quite annoying, but don't worry, we have a few simple solutions that can help you get rid of it. First, let's start with the simplest solution, restarting your device. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve minor system glitches. Press and hold the power button, then tap on restart. Confirm if necessary and wait for the device to reboot. The next step is to clear the cache partition. This won't delete your data, but it can help fix many issues. Power off your device, press and hold the volume up, power and home buttons simultaneously until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe cache partition and press the power button to select it. After the process is complete, select Reboot System Now. Your phone will restart and hopefully the system UI error is resolved. Sometimes outdated app can also cause the system UI error. Make sure all your apps are up to date. Open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile. Then on Manage Apps and Devices, go to the Manage tab and click on the updates available. Now update all the apps listed. Also don't forget to check for updates in the Galaxy Store. It's also essential to keep your system software up to date. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap and download and install. Installing the latest software updates can fix bugs and improve the overall performance of your device. If the error persists, try resetting app performance preferences. This won't delete your data, but it will reset all app settings to their default. Go to Settings, tap on Apps. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Reset App Preferences. Confirm the reset. After this, check if the error is resolved. As a last resort, you can perform a factory restart. Remember, this will erase all your data, so make sure to back up important files. Go to Settings. Then on General Management, then select Restore Reset. Then on Factory Data Reset and complete the reset. Once your device is reset, set it up again and check if the system UI error is resolved. And there you have it, a few simple steps to fix the system UI error on your Samsung device. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.